Welcome to Wednesday, Hump Day Wednesday, May 14th, 2025. Your Day with a Podcast brought to you by ConverseCountyTourism.com. Feel the energy of Converse County. Explore Douglas's Railroad Heritage, Ayers Natural Bridge, and the Jackalope Legend. Glen Rock boasts scenic trails, dinosaur history, and small town charm. Plan your visit at ConverseCountyTourism.com. Well, nice shot there of the full moon here, as it's been very bright if you've been out in the evening and overnight hours for sure. But now we're trending to cooler, cloudier, and unsettled weather. This recent spell of summer-like weather is over for a bit. It'll come back, but for the next 5-6 days, maybe 7 here, we're going to be certainly cooler than it's been, and we've got systems moving through. As we saw last night and late yesterday, the northern areas, parts of northern and western Wyoming, Montana, parts of Idaho, into the Pacific Northwest and now the Dakotas, going to get some showers, thunderstorms, some high country snow, and temperatures are going to be quite a bit cooler across the region today. For today and into tomorrow, scattered showers and thunderstorms will be found elsewhere. The concentration of the rain more to the north today, but there's going to be a little wave bringing some scattered showers and thunderstorms this afternoon and tonight south of the low as we go into the late afternoon and evening hours. That's going to put us back into more of a springy pattern for Friday and into the weekend, with temperatures mild, but some scattered shower and thunderstorm activity is going to be around. Then we await the next Pacific weather system coming on in. That's going to bring a chance of rain, thunder, and mountain snow. Now, this next system is showing signs of going further south. And if that happens, that will spread the rain chances further south than the last couple of systems that we've seen here lately. And we'll take a look at that. Beautiful shot there. This is what happens when it rains and snows in spring, and then you get these big warm up. Look at those wildfires up on the east side of the Bighorns up near Story, Wyoming. Wow, what a beautiful shot there, and beautiful wide angle shot there of the clouds and the sun across the region here. And then here's another beautiful shot of the wildflowers really getting going. And this is really true. If you live up in this part of the country or you're driving through, it's just really spectacular right now and will be. Also, nice shot there out of Custer State Park in South Dakota with the bighorns being out. We're going to see some cloud buildup like this today, especially this afternoon and evening, along with those cooler temperature readings. Now, as we take a look and see what develops, we're going to see a lot of spring weather over the next 72 hours through the next 6 to 7 days. A couple of satellite images to show you this morning. You can see the enhanced clouds with the heavier showers and thunderstorms headed into eastern Montana and the Dakotas. This will be a big rainmaker, as you'll see, for North and South Dakota's central and eastern areas. There's a little bit of a wave right here that's going to track this way later today and tonight, bringing that southerly component of shower and thunderstorm activity as the wave comes on through. This system definitely, though, as you can see, is more towards the northern areas. But if we go back, look in the Gulf of Alaska, look up at the Aleutians, very impressive upper level low there. Look at that curl. This is the system that comes in Sunday and into Monday. So we've got two systems in queue to come in. The cool front, now a stationary boundary, so definitely temperatures on this side of the boundary going to be a lot cooler today. There'll be some warmth here, but the weather definitely upsettled in the north as the high pressure getting broken down. This is by noon today. By noon today, the upper level low is in Yellowstone Park. We have the showers and thunderstorms to the northeast and to the northwest of the low. That'll be the most widespread, but there will be later today some scattered showers and thunderstorms on the southern end of this trough. As we go into tomorrow, the system curls a little bit more east-northeast, and this is where it'll really concentrate the rain up here, as you'll see here in a moment. But we still have these little waves coming in behind it that'll keep us in a spring pattern of unsettled conditions, afternoon scattered showers and thunderstorms. Up here, up in the Aleutians, is that low we just showed you on the satellite imagery. So there's going to be some thunderstorms today. You can see where the severe weather threat's going to be across the Dakotas into portions of central Nebraska. This will be an area to watch out for severe weather later today. Tomorrow, that severe weather will head into the upper Midwest. This is the precipitation, generally speaking, through Friday afternoon. Look at this concentration of rain up here. And some of this heavier rain will get into the north, central, and northern areas of Nebraska, which will be good. But boy, North and South Dakota and far northeastern Montana, the big winners here, they need it. Going to get a really good soaker up there with the showers, thunderstorms, as plain, steady rain. This will be the area this afternoon and tonight of scattered showers and thunderstorms between Interstate 70 and Interstate 80. By tomorrow, you'll see an enhanced area. Could be a lot of severe weather here in the Great Lakes region. Then we get into the weekend. Well, we get more into a westerly flow. That next Pacific system comes into Washington and Oregon. So it does warm up a little bit, but it's not going to be nearly as warm as what we just saw. But temperatures will moderate after being cooler today and tomorrow. They'll moderate Saturday, Sunday, into the beginnings of Sunday, Friday through Sunday, with afternoon showers and thunderstorms during that 3-day period, with thunderstorm activity really ramping up in some areas on Sunday. By noon Sunday, we've got the upper level low in northwest Arizona, near Las Vegas here to northern Arizona. Now, we have gone through this. We have seen this movie before this spring. These lows come in, and like what's currently going on, they go up here. That's just been the way they've been going all the way back to March. And it could very well go back up there. But the trend in the last couple of days has for the system to take a more southerly route. So this is by noon Sunday. By noon Sunday, there is going to be an active pattern of thunderstorms, maybe some strong ones, out here across the plains ahead of the low. We'll need to watch that threat late Sunday into Sunday evening. By Monday, the system doesn't move very much, heads a little bit east-northeast and is over central Colorado. Now let's compare what the different solutions are and kind of see who ends up being most correct. If we were to take a look at the European, which I just showed you right here, we see that by noon Monday, the upper level low is just basically Pikes Peak, right around Colorado Springs area. Let's just say around Colorado Springs. The AI version of the European model, you always like to see agreement, is stretched out and a little bit further to the north with the center of the low. The Canadian is more like the European. The GFS is more stretched out and more west and slower. The general track and shape of the system is in pretty much good agreement, but we're not in 100% agreement yet. So we need a couple of more days before our confidence really grows that the better rain will be further south where they really, really need it. So certainly the potential's there, but we still have just enough disagreement, especially between the AI and the European. It's not this doesn't look big, okay? Not big at all, but it is big in terms of some of the areas like right here that really, really need the rain. The AI version makes it rain, but not nearly as much as the European, which is further southwest. They say football is a game of inches. Football and weather analogy works good here. It may not be inches, but sometimes it's miles in terms of who gets the better rain and who doesn't. But certainly Sunday into Monday and Tuesday will be cooler and wet for some areas of the Central Rockies and the Central Plains once again. And this system, as it moves out into the plains, will probably bring some more wet weather to this part of the country as it moves on out. So that'll be interesting to watch. We'll have more for you on that tomorrow.